What's up, YouTube? It's Desi and I'm back with another video, y'all. Of course, we are out again and looking for some batches for Instacart. So pretty much what I like to do is kind of go in the area where I really kind of want to shop at, and hopefully some batches will pop up for me. What you have to do is make sure that you stay online, because the more that you stay online, the more you boost your chances of getting some good batches. But however, I like to stay online and just kind of see as far as for what pops up. Even if it's something that's small, I'll still try to grab that one. What I like to do is kind of do Instacart whenever I'm kind of off a little bit, just here and there. Like I said, I'm working from home right now, so pretty much once I stop working from home, I will probably only be doing Instacart just on the weekends, because I'll then be working at OBGYN medical assistant. But however, for the time being, I'll just kind of still show you guys the process as far as for what's it's like, you know, doing Instacart. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. All right, so y'all, first order is going to be with Publix today. Shopping for this one lady, so I'm going ahead to head to aisle 4 now. Just giving y'all update. First one is on Publix. This is how we looking so far. Now the customer can add on items, so just want to give y'all update as far as for that. All right, so YouTube, your girl just finished her first batch. It was actually for $22, honestly. She did $7 for getting the stuff, and then I think $13 in tips or something like that. But she added on something else as well too. One thing I want to say to you guys, whenever doing Instacart, always introduce yourself to the customer. You can send like a quick greeting or anything like that. That's always good, because at the end of the day, they need to know who's going to be coming to their house, who's going to be doing the deliveries. That's always good. Another thing I wanted to mention, when doing Instacart, always pay attention to your messages. The customer is sometimes sending messages to let you know to add on more stuff for their order. So I will make sure that I, you know, pretty much pay attention to that. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I don't get lost. Yeah, so just make sure that you pay attention to that as well. I'm on my way out and try to see if I can catch another batch, but in the meantime, hopefully y'all stay tuned and hopefully I can get another batch. So we shall see. All right, so YouTube, I'm about to do another second order. This is going to count as my third order for today. I'm going to pretty much give you guys tips as far as for how to handle second orders, so that way it won't be too much on you. So y'all stay tuned, and it's going to be with Publix. Everything that's supposed to be on paper is separated. All right, so YouTube, with this video, this is going to talk about as far as for earning extra money on Instacart. So you can earn at least up to $500 a week as far as for Instacart, probably even more. It depends on how many batches you select as far as for that week. One thing I can say as far as for Instacart, it's good for couples to do, it's good for teens to do. It all just depends. Now, I'm not gonna lie, you don't only have to deliver groceries. They do have where you could deliver prescriptions and also alcohol as well too, which you'll have to be a certain age as far as for that. But however, it's also requirements that you have to do, like you have to watch a certain video and then pass a certain quiz and whatnot. But in the majority wise, the groceries is a lot more easier. Within the last 2 days, I'm not gonna lie, I only made up to like $100 something. But however, it could have been more, but usually I stopped delivering around like 8 o'clock, almost 8:30ish. I usually start around 4:30 because I get off of my regular job at 4:30. So I usually start around like 4:35, almost like. But at the same time, it's pretty decent. I try to pick up at least like 1-2 batches a day, so I can get the feel of like doing 2 batches at a time sometimes. But I look at how many items there are, because like I said, you don't want to get yourself overwhelmed, and you want to know as far as for how to do it. That's why I prepared for you guys this video, to show you as far as for what's it like handling 2 batches, and as far as for what you should do. Most people have 2 batches and they may have like 32 items or something like that, but my items today was only 22, so I was able to kind of, you know, settle that for myself. One thing I do want to make sure that you guys know as far as for Instacart, those batches are first come first serve. So as soon as you see one, try to look into it, see if that's something you want to do. If that's something you want to do, go ahead and swipe and go ahead and get started as far as for those batches. One thing I like to do is keep in contact with the customer, because I was kind of late delivering the items to them. But however, like I said, like say for instance, you're done shopping and everything like that, and it's going to say, all right, start delivery, and it'll say get there within like a certain amount of time, and you'll see like, man, that's 3 more minutes. So I like to text the customer, let them know like, just loaded up the car, on the way to you right now. And that's how it goes. And they still give me like a good rating and everything like that. Now I have been seeing that they have been timing a lot as far as for when shopping, so don't let it overwhelm you. For the most part, that's just making sure you keep up with the pace. I haven't, you know, ran over my time or anything like that. I'll always be underneath the time, but at the same time, I think it just comes in place as far as for knowing the store. That's why I always do Publix, because Publix guides you exactly where you need to go. It tells you what aisle you need to go. It doesn't tell you exactly what's on the aisle, but it'll just let you know, go to aisle 3 for, you know, get goldfish or something like that. So just follow what the app is telling you. Every store is not like that. Like Aldi's is not like that, Costco's is not like that, BJ's is not like that. It doesn't tell you what aisle, it just tells you the category. Like it'll say bakery or it'll say produce or something like that. So do pay attention to that. But however, hopefully this video helped you guys out. I would definitely say start off fresh with it. I haven't had any bad incidents yet, and if I do have any, I'll be sure to let you guys know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and y'all stay safe. Peace.